If you're experiencing the AFC 25 Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, power off your console completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and restart. For PC users, clear the cache of the game through the EA app origin. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Update game and system. Make sure that both the game and your gaming system console or PC are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for known issues, including matchmaking errors. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.